Welcome to my vlog. Today is a real-time Walmart hidden clearance haul. From what I hear, Walmart has some really good hidden deals on food. And it just so happens I had to make a trip to Walmart anyway because I'm in need of some socks. And I have some buy one get one free coupons I wanted to use. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity for me to see what's on hidden deal at Walmart. Now before I go to Walmart, I do have to make a trip to the car dealership. I am in the process of purchasing a new car. I am doing what I dub as a car tour. Now the reason for that is I've had my car for a very long time. As I told you all before, I am completely debt free and I don't have a car note. I haven't had a car note in about 11 years. But I'll be honest, I've had to shell out a lot of money to get my car fixed as of late. Although I'm blessed to not have any bills, it's a little difficult to invest because I'm always having to get my car fixed. So I'm giving myself 1 year to save up so I can purchase a car cash. The purpose of me going to a car dealership is kind of to see what's out there and also what the cars are costing. I will have my debt-free video listed down below if you wanted any tips or tricks on how you can pay off your debt and how you can save money. Also, there was a really good tip that one of my supporters on Twitter had left, and maybe this will help you if you're trying to become debt-free. She actually had paid off one of her credit cards, and how she was able to do that is every week she had an amount automatically going to her credit card bill. It was an amount that she wouldn't really miss. I thought that was an excellent idea. I wish when I was becoming debt free I thought of that. I also have a video from my favorite YouTuber and I will have it linked down below. She's very big on budgeting and I love budgeting videos. I'll be very honest, I love watching people count money. It's just something about watching money being counted that is so soothing.
Please select one of the following options.